Let's run child support guidelines. Today, we are going to be running guidelines for a divorcing couple out of Howard County, Maryland. We have Taiwo A., who is a lawyer, and we have Aneka, who is a retail worker. They are the parents of three lovely children, Isaac, 4, Chike, 7, and Ife, 11. Taiwo earns $15,000 per month, and Aneka earns $2,800 per month as she only works part-time. Now, the childcare costs are currently $1,000 per month, and they're being paid by Taiwo. There are also health, dental, and vision insurance costs for the minor children, and that is in the amount of $800 per month. There are no private school costs. However, Taiwo owes approximately $1,000 per month to a child he had prior to the party's marriage. There are also extraordinary medical expenses for the children that both parents split equally. The extraordinary medical expenses are for asthma treatment, and that expense is $250 per month for this family. So because they're splitting it equally, they both pay $125 per month for this. Now, the overnight schedule has Taiwo having 330 overnights per year, with Aneka having approximately 35 overnights per year, which means that we are on the sole guidelines. According to the sole guidelines, Aneka would have to pay $830 per month for child support for Isaac, Chike, and Ife. Now, yes, her income is $2,800 gross. Yes, that likely means that she is not going to have a sufficient amount of funds as far as extraordinary, yes, that is a large bulk of her income. However, the children are living with Taiwo. He's paying all their expenses, including work-related child care expenses, health insurance, and even half of the extraordinary medical expenses. If the access schedule was completely different, and all of the children lived with her, despite the fact that Taiwo paid for all the bills, Taiwo would owe her $2,840. That's just how the guidelines work. If the parties had shared access, and even if Taiwo had the bulk of the overnights, he would still have to pay her 182 overnights. The closer you would get to equal overnights, which is 182 to 183, Taiwo would have to pay 1,608. But that's not what we have here. What we have here is Taiwo being the sole parent, him paying all the expenses. So Aneka is going to have to pay $830 per month according to this scenario and according to these facts.